Diwali to everyone. Today we are celebrating the festival of Diwali. Let's learn more about Diwali. India has been celebrating Diwali for a long time. Diwali symbolizes winning of good over evil and light over darkness. Diwali is a time of joy and worship. Diwali is a festival that celebrates the beginning of the Hindu New Year. Do you know that the word Diwali comes from the language called Sanskrit? It means row of lights. Significance of Diwali. Light symbolizes knowledge. Darkness means ignorance. As we all know, Diwali is also known as Festival of Lights. Knowledge removes ignorance, just as light removes darkness. It is through the light that the beauty of this world is revealed or experienced. Hence, we light the lamp to bow down to the knowledge at the greatest of all forms of wealth. 5 days of Diwali. The festival of Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. The first day is called Dhanteras. The second day is called Nark Chaturdashi. The third day is Diwali, New Moon Day. The fourth day is Nutan Varsh. The fifth day is Bhai Dooj. Let's learn and see the different forms in which we celebrate Diwali in India. We prepare different kinds of sweets at our house. Sweets are important part of Diwali festival. We prepare and we distribute sweets among our relatives and neighbors. Sweets indeed fill our relationships with sweetness. We decorate our house with different and colorful lanterns. Lanterns are said to be bringing positivity in our house. Beautiful and different lightings of lanterns brighten our life. Diyas. Diyas are very important in Diwalis. We decorate our house with diyas. Diyas are told to be overcoming the power of evil of darkness. We decorate our house with diyas and we overcome the evil power of darkness. We draw rangolis. Rangolis are Indian traditional pattern of decorating the house. The rangoli is being drawn at the entrance of the house or the lawn. It is said to be very auspicious. We decorate our house with lightings. We decorate our house with lanterns, diyas. As we say, Diwali is the festival of light. Decorating our house with lanterns, lightings, diyas, we overcome the power of darkness. We enjoy Diwali by blowing crackers. Yes, but of course, we need to be careful. We have to take care of our environment. So, with enjoying the crackers, we need to take care of our environment. As we celebrate the festival of Diwali, the main aspects of our Indian culture is sharing and caring. Through this festival of Diwali, let's celebrate the Diwali with underprivileged children and underprivileged families. Let's teach our children the true value of sharing and caring. So, these are the different ways that we celebrate Diwali in India. Children, I have a very beautiful story for you at the Diwali? Let's listen to the story and learn more about Diwali.
The story of Deepavali. Deepavali, or Diwali as it is popularly known, is celebrated in all parts of India and in many other countries with a lot of joy and excitement. From ancient times, this festival has been celebrated. In the Mahabharata, it is marked as the return of the Pandavas from exile, and in the Ramayana, it is the return to Ayodhya of Rama, Lakshman, Sita, and Hanuman after the killing of Ravana. The subjects in both the epics showed their happiness on the return of their kings by decorating their homes with lights all along the path to make sure there was enough light, and by the bursting of crackers. Another significance of this festival is the killing of the demon Narakasur by Lord Krishna. This is generally considered a Hindu festival. An interesting fact, however, is that other religions also celebrate it. The Sikhs consider this as Bandi Chor Divas. This is the day Guru Gobind Singh freed himself and some others from the Gwalior fort. The Jains celebrate it as the day of Nirvana for Mahavira, the last Tirthankara. The Buddhists of Nepal worship Lakshmi and Vishnu, reiterating the freedom of the Buddhists to worship any god of their choice. Let us see how this festival is celebrated. Generally, this is a 5-day festival in most parts of North India, starting with Dhanteras, where houses, offices, etc. are cleaned up and lit. The second day is called Choti Deepavali or Naraka Chaturdasi. It is believed that the demon, before he died, requested that his death should be a day of festivity and there should be no darkness. Hence, this is Diwali for many Hindus, especially in the southern parts of India. The third day is Lakshmi Puja, and it is believed that Lakshmi visits the houses and bestows wealth on this day. The fourth day is termed as Padwa, and this emphasizes the husband wife devotion to each other. In most communities, the newly wedded couple are invited to the bride's house for a specially made sumptuous meal, and gifts are given to the groom and to the bride. The ritual is that the brothers of the bride bring back their sister to their home with the husband on that day. The fifth day is Bhai Dooj, which is similar to Raksha Bandhan, where the affection of brothers and sisters is revealed. Again, it is the sharing of gifts and puja for the well-being of the brothers.
I hope you all enjoyed this story. So I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.